Okay guys, let's check out this simple analysis, and of course let's see how we are able to use it to make lots of profit from here. Okay, it was a sniping entry, and of course we got in around there, you can see it, and of course it kept on buying and buying. Okay, so if you should notice, we had an opportunity earlier, and of course it came down, and of course went back up again, and of course it kept on buying and buying. So I'm going to explain how I'm able to get this so that you will understand how you too can go about it. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so this particular trade is already going to, I think it's now over $1,300. Okay, and of course it's so simple, just a simple setup, and of course you will definitely get it right. Okay, like I have said, all these assets are trading assets. You just need to know when they get to the support, when they get to the resistance zone, and of course when they are on uptrend and when they are on downtrend. Okay, so when they get to the support, there is one thing you should always know. Okay, once a market gets to this support zone, there is one thing you always know: either you are using this trading tool or not, you should know that there are two things that can happen from the support zone. Either there is a breakout below the support zone, or it's changed the direction of the trend. So if there is no breakout, definitely it will change the direction of the trend. So which means when they get to the support zone, it means it has been selling before getting to a major support zone. And of course, if it's not breaking out below this support zone, then it should be a change in direction of the trend. So if we are going to be having a change in direction of the trend, then it should start buying. Okay, so of course, for most of us, you might not know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. Okay, so that is why some custom made indicators like these have made it very simple for us. Okay, as you can see, the green dotted line gives us an insight that, or an idea that this market will be going into an uptrend, and immediately we start saying that the only thing we should wait for is a signal that can tell us to go in and buy. Okay, we got the green dot around here, which is the signal that gives us the idea that we can go in and buy right now. So with this line, it shows where we can place our buy order. Let's say we decide to place our buy order around here. Okay, where are we? I mean, what is the next thing for us to do? Okay, like I've always been saying this in most of my trainings. Okay, immediately you place an order, let it go along with a stop loss. Okay, most especially for newbies that don't know their way around the market, and of course most newbies struggle to get their trading capital, so it will not be advisable for you to start, I mean, trading um, uh, without a stop loss, because I don't want you to experience the negative side of the trading right from the beginning. Okay, so it is important you input a stop loss where your support zone was highlighted. Okay, so you put your stop loss around there, and of course you setting your trading activities somewhere here, and of course it starts moving. Okay, it might not go into profit immediately, and it is possible for it to go into profit immediately. Just keep yourself calm, and of course you will be able to get it right. So after a few moves up and down, it gave us huge profit, and of course came down a bit, gave us more profit. Okay, let's say the market actually got to this region. At this stage, it is reasonable for any newbie. This is newbie strategy. You don't need to disturb yourself trying to say, okay, it must get to somewhere before. No, 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 just forget about all those stories. Okay, the most important thing is you trying to protect your money. Okay, that is very, very important. What I will advise you to do is to move up your stop loss, because it is not useful for you here. Again, move it up. Okay, and lock up some part of the profit. At this stage, I will advise you to lock up 30% of the profit. You give it more room in order for you to make more profit, in order for you to lock up more. Okay, because the trade is just starting, guys, and of course this actually moves up and down, and of course got to this region. At this stage, I expect you to adjust your stop loss again to lock up more profit for yourself. This time around, lock up 50 to 60% of the profit, okay, which means if there is a sudden reversal in price action, it will hit the stop loss and the rest of the profits will go straight into your account. And of course, I think that is still reasonable enough than you making profits and losing it all right before you. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course, guys, I know very well some of you must have experienced that. Even if you're a guru right now, there are times that you will be in profit and you will be happy that you're already in profit, and before you know it, there will be a change, a sudden change in the direction of the market, and you will be seeing your profit going down and down and down, and instead of you to close the rest of the asset in order for you to keep the rest of the profit, you'll be thinking, okay, it will pull back up, it will pull back up. Before you know it, right before your eyes, you will see it entering deep into your own capital because you refuse to take the right action. But if you are actually taking the right action, if you are set up, use your stop loss to keep up, to keep some part of the profit, even if it is going down towards your stop loss, you don't need to adjust your stop loss. You just allow the market to play its role, and while you see what will happen at the end of the day. For instance, around here you can see you can see the market, sorry, I'm trying to move this. Okay, you can see the market getting to this point, and it was coming down and down and down towards the stop loss. Okay, you might be thinking that it will get to the stop loss, but check it out, it didn't get to the stop. It even gave us a sell signal. That shows that it's really gave us a huge move. This must have been a resistance zone at a point. Okay, so but it didn't get to the stop loss. It pulled back up again and broke out from that resistance zone to give us more profit. But let's say the market now decided to change and decide to go so deep till it gets to this region or probably below your entry point. Immediately it gets to your stop loss, you will be taken out of the market immediately with the rest of the profit. That is the beautiful part of you trailing your trading activities with the stop loss till the very end of the trend. Okay, so the first thing is to have a good trading tool like this that will help you to analyze the market, to give a good analysis on the market before you go into the trade. And the second thing is for you to apply the beautiful strategy which I've been explaining in most of my videos. Okay, that way you will always be in profit all the time. At least 99% of the trade you will be taking will always give you profit all the time. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. You can imagine immediately this gets to this level, all I expect you to do is to adjust your stop loss to lock up more profit. Now let's say the market decides to go down right from here. You can see immediately you get to this stop loss, you will be taken out of the market. You can imagine the profit from here to here will go straight to your balance. Are you making loss or you are making profit? If you are done it this way, you can see that you will always be in profit if you had followed this instruction. Okay, if you have been followed this instruction, okay, you will always be in profit. And check it out, it didn't just go down. So you can see got to this region. Definitely I would have advised you to lock up more, came down again, and of course went back up, and definitely I will still advise you to lock up more. Okay, you can imagine, check out your entry point. This is your entry point and this is your lockup area. Okay, which means from year to year the profits that will go to your balance whenever the market hits your stop loss. So that is how amazing this strategy is. Okay, I want you guys that are having these trading tools to go back to your market, to your asset, and of course apply this strategy using this trading tool, and let me know what you feel about it. Okay, if you are able to make profit, let us know down there in the comment section. If you're unable to make profit, also let us know down there in the comment section. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.